This video shows the easy way how to solve the problem when you have Node.js and you get this ominous error which says here something like this, global, local, something is deprecated. And if you won't find any solution because a lot of stuff which you find in the internet is not working. So take it the easy way, do it like that. We have to install a new package of Node.js, and when you watch here the latest version npm 8.11 LTS recommended for most users, this causes the error at the moment. Now we need the current version, which is 8.15. So how do we solve it? Simply do it like this. Go here to your either this search field. Take this one, and now you say Node.js, and I see Node.js. You delete it here. I deinstall that stuff, and as soon as you have deinstalled it, hey, let's do it. Okay, we're deinstalling it. You see a lot of software there. Then you go to the where is it? N comes after M. Who sees it? Here it is. Now go on there with the with the context menu here to deinstall all that stuff. You don't need it anymore. And as soon as this is done, blub blub blub, blip blub blub, needs a little bit of time. What is this? Did this come from there? No, I'm not sure. This is maybe a script from before. I solved that. Okay, go out. All that stuff was from previous. Okay, that's not nice. Okay, but it happened. Shit happens when you do some works in parallel. Okay. Okay, this was not the best idea for me at this point, but hey, take it easy. All what you have to do is you go then after the installation, when you see that on your machine. Oh, come on. This was not my best idea to open multiple windows at one time. Now when you are on your machine, do it like this. You deinstall that stuff, and when it's deinstalled, then now it's installing and deinstalling. Let's see if the machine crashes afterwards. And after this, come on to the point. Take this one, open, take the nodejs.org in for English, download current, and now this one with a version 8.15, install it, and then you will see the error which is written always in those obvious multiple solutions. They are all, let's say, not the best way, and you will solve it by that. Even if you follow this version, where you're forcing the unrestricted execution policy, this also fails a lot of times.